Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, I've got a call to yeah, yeah, yeah. Watching a basket match represent for Jamaica worst game at 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica guys, giving you another reaction. Ooh. Today we are with Kraff. Yeah, man, Kraff with Pretty Rockstar on the storybook Riddim, Russian Riddim. You know, say I've been reacting to a lot of songs on the Riddim. So stand still a drops, so I'm still at the reaction. Wanna say? Wanna hear Kraff song on the Riddim? The bomb clock! Make a jump in the one and see where Kraff are dealing. Kraff, Pretty Rockstar. Storybook Riddim, let's go. You say Kraff not normal in there, bro. Remember to follow my new reaction channel. Link I go pin in the comment section below. Shane Creative, big up. Bumbleclad.
Miss Pretty Rockstar, are you my one? So baby, answer anytime you see me calling. I'm just one and I did up. No, I'm last. You know me.
Yeah. Yes.
Miss Pretty Rockstar, are you my one? So baby, answer anytime you see me calling. I'm just one and I did up. No, I'm last. You know me froze out the cold, so keep you on. Miss Pretty Rockstar, are you my one? So baby, answer anytime you see me calling. I'm just one and I did up. No, I'm last. You know me froze out the cold, go keep me warm, go keep me cool, come keep me high. Come make it disappear, baby, make it fly. Anyway you wanna go, me fly it, ride it, post see a picture with the pilot. Anyway you wanna go, me fly it, ride it, post see a picture with the pilot.
Alright, I understand. Brother, I want to touch on something. Not to do with the song. Want to touch on some things. Not to do with this song. I know say uno as artists I be creative and I do no thing. But please, whatever you do, please remember God. Whatever you inner, please remember God. You promote them things too much. Yeah? Like I said, this is nothing to do with the song. Let me show you what I talk about. And this is the second thing me see him do in the video already. You see this? You see that upside down cross here? You go do the research what it means. The upside down cross. You see me? Yeah, the cross the upside down. He also do something else in the video. Let me just touch upon now. And Kraff is an artist I'm rating a dog. Watch out. You see that? You see that sign here? I see it. I see it earlier on. I say, yo, maybe just a one-off. But when I see the upside down cross, I have to say something, bro. Uno, please, I beg you, see it here? Uno, please, I beg you, remember Christ, bro. Remember God. I know say, uno, like Kraff is different from your real name. What is your real name? I don't know. But your persona is different from your real name. I be careful what I put out there. That's how I say. That's how I say still.
Miss Pretty Rockstar, are you my one? So baby, answer anytime you see me calling. I'm just one and I did up. No, I'm last. You know me froze out the cold, so keep you on. Miss Pretty Rockstar, are you my one? So baby, answer anytime you see me calling. I'm just one and I did up. No, I'm last. You know me froze out the cold, go keep me warm, go keep me cool, come keep me high. Come make it disappear, baby, make it fly. Anyway you wanna go, me fly it, ride it, post see a picture with the pilot. Freeze on it, call up a writers. Turn it up and turn it in my bitch.
Yeah.
Turn it up and turn it in a demon.
Turn it up and turn it in my bitch. Turn it up and turn it in a demon. You see what I'm talking
My bitch. Turn it up and turn it in a demon. Turn it up and turn it in a... Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. turn up, take shots and get wild. Voodoo, nothing that you do. Man them cuckoo, man them evil. Girl, turn up, drink and turn up. Tell a friend them turn up, take shots and get wild. Voodoo, nothing that you do. Make man them cuckoo. You see you,
Miss Pretty Rockstar.
Are you my one? So baby, answer anytime you see me calling. I'm just one and I did that. But I'm last. You know me froze out the coast, so keep you on. Miss Pretty Rockstar. Are you my one? So baby, answer anytime you see me calling. I'm just one and I did that. But I'm last. You know me call out the froze, so keep me on. Miss Click along you. Me really like you. Me don't even like myself, so baby, lay the side truth. Hey, give me a heart and just believe in I youth. Come party with a star, so me fire. Rally moon, you see if done trap. Yeah, party with the crew, be a guns and killers and car full of shows. How you say? She not afraid I dark. Hey yo, Miss Slick Rockstar. Are you my one? So baby, answer anytime I see me calling. I'm just one in the dark. You know my last. You know me cool out the first, so keep me warm. Miss Slick Rockstar.
Russian, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Storybook Riddim a fire. Storybook Riddim, well upon it, we are fire. Enough song upon it. In terms of the Kraff song, I wouldn't say it's one of my favorite songs. And I'm just being honest. This is just my reaction, by the way. And this is why you guys are watching, because I want my honest opinion on things. And I'm giving my honest opinion. For me, the stuff that he is portraying in the video turned me away from the song completely, bro. Like, I see it one time, I see it two times, I see it 3-4 times in the song. In the video. Kraff a bad artist. Me been a say that. Me been rate Kraff. Me been rate Kraff work. But the man never take it OD, you know, bro. Like, una forget our culture. Una forget where we are come from, bro. Una forget them thing there, bro. You see me? And this devil thing where in the music rampantly, bro. Man a wall up devil sign, man a have upside down cross on shirt. Man a do all of them something there, bro. For what? Me not understand it, dog. Me not understand it. Me just not understand it. You see me? Yeah. So I wouldn't say this is one of my favorite songs on the Riddim. There's other bad song on this. There's other bad song than this on the Riddim by far. You see me? So yeah. That's just my opinion. So everyone's entitled to their own opinion. But yeah. Big up Kraff same way, bro. On just need to find back on the self, bro, and find back on the path and just continue upon the path there, bro. You see me? Yeah, my fam. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, though. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, my new reaction channel is going to be pinned in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys down there. All right? Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm man vice of the real artist progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.